Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be showing with you how to make a typography photo manipulation like this in Canva. So let's start with it. So I'll be choosing YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. And before starting, I will request all of you to please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss another update from DLC Ventures India. Okay, so let's start with it. So I'll be choosing a carrot element and which I have recently used. Okay, so this is the element. Okay, so you can find it free for use in Canva Pro, but if you don't have a Canva Pro, you can just download it from any other third-party apps. Okay, so let's start with it. So I will bring it to the canvas and I will just rotate it. Okay, so the rotation is done. Now let's make it bigger. So I will be using a scale to make the design proper. I will be using a scale which will be 72 and 1, 2, 3, 4 in this format. Okay, so let's make it bigger in that way. So let's make it bigger. Okay, so this is done. Now go to text and click on add a heading and make sure the font is in Anton format, Anton font. Okay, and we will write the carrot text as individual letters. So first will be C. Okay, and make sure it is tilted to 9 degrees and every letter will be tilted to 9 degrees. Okay, so first we will arrange it. Let's zoom and work on it because we need to make it proper to make the design possible. Okay, next will be A. So next will be A. Here let's make it size smaller. So when the adjustment is done, now let's make the letters a bit bigger so that it covers the whole of the carrot here. Okay, so like this I will do for the first one. Because C is done, so we will start with A and we will move all of them because we need to cover it. Now we will do for R. Let's make it a bit smaller. And now we will do for R. Next, again for R. Okay, so for O it's done as you can see. So make sure the above one is already covered and we are just covering the lower part because we don't want to move it to the other edge also. Okay, and now Okay, so this one is done. Now let's unzoom it and just change the text color to the document color, which is, I will just select with the eyedropper tool from this color and change all. Okay, and I will Ctrl A to select all the layers, shift hold and just unselect the carrot and click on Ctrl X to copy and paste it in the next page. Okay, so the alignment is done. Now we will go to share, download, and I will download only the page 2. Okay, so click on done, click on download. Make sure it is in PNG. So the downloading is done. Now I will go to Photopea and I will here just upload the image and click on this layer and click on magic wand icon. You can also use W to select the magic wand and holding on to shift just select every letter. Okay, and now click on delete to make it transparent. Click on file, export as PNG and click on save. Okay, so now we will head to Canva again. Okay, now I will upload it. So as you can see, the uploading is done. Okay, now I will make it to the same shape as the canvas. And now as you can see, it is done here, but we need to crop the layer to make the carrot part visible. Okay, so like this. Okay, and just duplicate it and just select in here so that every part is visible. Okay, and for the T part I will just crop both the layers. So that the ear part is also visible. Now I will go to the carrot layer and make the BG remover to remove the background, because the shadow is coming here and we don't want the shadow for now. Okay, so as you can see, some other parts are being left here, and also we can't change the background for this work. So we will go to share and download only the page 1, which will be in PNG. Click on download. Okay, and we just delete the second page, add page, and just upload the image. And after that, we will just make it to the same size as the canvas, and we will crop out any of the part because we don't want to make it treated as a background, and we will just click on background remover and double click it. So we can use the erase icon. Okay, so use a smaller brush to brush out the parts which are not required. Now we will just click on the cross icon and it is almost ready. Now you can change the background if you want, but I will keep it as the same background. Okay, so if you want, you can change to any background as you can see in here. Okay, and now for the final touch I will use a shadow here, this one. Let's make it to the same size. Okay, and just decrease the transparency a bit. So 70 looks good. So this is the carrot typography effect. Hope you like this tutorial, and please let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thank you.